Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? Let's dive deep into VOO and provide you with a more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing to our channel, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. In our latest analysis, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate since November 3, 2023, with a score of 1.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 0.48%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.16% since being identified as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 5.63% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 11.89% and minus 5.63%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 14.4% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 8% and 24.3%. In terms of price, we can expect a range of $433.44 to $498.86 after a year. Our latest update for VOO brings exciting news. The VOO ETF has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, November 7, 2023, the VOO ETF price increased by 0.282%, moving from $400.21 to $401.34. This marks the 7th consecutive day of gains for the ETF. While it's unusual for ETFs to gain for such a long streak, it's important to note that occasional dips may occur. During the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 0.698%, reaching a low of $399.26 and a high of $402.04. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 3.16% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume on the last day saw a decrease of minus 635,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.32 billion. It's worth considering that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $422.15, while the lowest price was $343.36. Currently, the price is 4.93% or $20.81 below the 52-week high and 9.05% or $39.92 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, with a price of $441.26. Today, let's take a look at the signals for VOO. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the VOO ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, the relation between these two signals gives a general sell signal, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support at $393.02 and $393.11. Selling signals will be triggered if the price falls below these levels. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 6.36% increase so far. This suggests that there might be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite the price gains, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF. Notably, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023, in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line align in a special combination. It is a rare occurrence and often precedes significant gains for the ETF in question. Today, we'll discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for VOO. VOO has found support from accumulated volume at $400.72. This is important because when a support level is tested, we often see an upward reaction, making it a potential buying opportunity. In terms of trading activity, VOO is usually traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, which indicates low risk. Looking at the recent performance, the ETF had a price range of $2.79, 0.698%, between its highest and lowest points in the last day. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 0.84%. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for VOO. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO stands at $409.87. For those who are not yet invested, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a potential opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if VOO experiences a downward movement, it encounters its initial support level at $400.72. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the near future. We recommend setting the stop loss at $386.39 with a decrease of 3.73%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 7 days ago. Is the VOO ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF currently being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 8th, we anticipate VOO to open with a decrease of $0.462, starting at $400.88. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience here at StockInvest.